Right. Now today we can discuss about the detailed type study of cockroach. The cockroaches belongs to class Insecta, phylum Arthropoda. Right. You know, kingdom is animal kingdom. A little bit introduction on cockroach. The color of cockroach, especially in our surrounding or in Indian cockroach color, brown or black, brown or black. But in tropical areas, right, red cockroach, green, yellow cockroach, right. Even though I have not seen this color of cockroach, but it is a present. Right. According to NCERT syllabus, we must remember. But Indian cockroach, brown or black. Size. 1/4 inch to 3 inches in length. Right. Now, we must remember some parts of cockroach when you see the cockroach. That means when you are in mind cockroach is there, immediately some characters will be remembered. Antenna, 3 pairs of legs, flat upper surface of the body. Antenna, legs, 3 pairs of legs or 6 legs. Upper surface of the body, that is helps in concealed in crevices. Once again, just observe. Right. Now, it is the cockroach. Upper surface, lower surface. Now, the upper surface is bulging, not like the upper surface is like flat. Right. The flat surface, if the upper surface is flat, it is hidden, easily hidden. Hidden means concealed in a crevices. That is the breaks. Right. The cockroach is a worldwide distribution, but it found in wet kitchen places where the food is plenty. Right. Upper surface flat. Upper surface is flat. Right. Now, the flat upper surface of the body is concealed in crevices. The crevices means holes and breaks. If any predator or if some animal is there, right, immediately it should protect itself. The protection in crevices, the crevices may be holes or breaks. But if the upper surface is bulge, it is somewhat difficult to empty. Hence, the upper surface is full. Right. Now it is a given in answer. Right. Now it is nocturnal. It's very active during night. Omnivorous. It will feed. It take the food or it feed everything. Not herbivorous, not carnivorous. Or next, it is a serious pest. It is damage the food items. Serious pest. It is a damage the food items and also it is a vector to carry many pathogens from one person to the other person or infection. Now this will be a little bit introduction. Morphology. That is external character. Right. The Indian cockroach scientific name Periplaneta americana. It is unisex. Dioecious. Male and females are separated like human beings. Right. Unisex. In males, wings behind the teeth. Right. Now, see. It is the a rough diagram of cockroach. Now, it is the head. Round. It is neck or cervical, thorax, abdomen. Abdomen. Right. The cockroach shows the two types of locomotion: flying, running. Flying by wings. So the cockroach containing wings. The wings origin in thoracic but not abdomen. Now what is this area? This area, thorax. The wings origin from which body? Which body part? That is thorax. Now this is the wings. Wings. See the diagram. Now this is the wings. Origin thoracic and extended behind the tip. Behind the tip. Now it is same cockroach. Right. The same cockroach. See, it is the thorax, is abdomen, tip to. Now wings origin. See. Now this is the cockroach. This is the cockroach. Both are cockroach periplanet America. Right. Wings origin, thoracic wings origin is also thoracic. But see the diagram. The wings is not extended up to tip. Is not extended. Cannot reach the tip. But here the wings is behind the tip. If the wings are well developed and behind the tip, that is male. It is the female. This is the sexual dimorphic character. Now, what is another one? Anal style. Anal style. See, another character. Right. Now, see. Now, it is lateral. Now, dorsal. Right. Thorax. Now, up to this thorax. Now, it is abdomen. Good. At the end of abdomen, two pairs of outgrowth structures. Among these two pairs, one is a long segmented. Long and segmented. This is called as anal sensing. First pair, small unsegmented, is anal style. Now come another cockroach. Now tip or end of abdomen. See what it is. What it is? Segmented long. Hence it is anal sensing. Here end of abdomen. How many outgrowth? Two pairs. Here one pair. Which is absent? Anal style is absent. If the anal style is absent, female. If the anal style is present, is male. Right. Sexual dimorphism. Identification of male and female with external morphology. The wings behind the tip and anal style is present. This is the two important characters, external character to identify male. See, this is the one. Now, what is this anal cell? What is this anal cell? It is a common, anal cells is a common in both females and males. It is auditory sense organ for hearing. The cockroach can hear the sound with anal cells. Antenna is a olfactory sense organ. Olfactory sense organ. The cockroach can detect the smell with the help of antenna. The cockroach can detect the sound with anal cells. Anal cells is a common between male and female. If the anal style is there, male. If the anal style is absent, female. Now come to the right. Next one. Right. Segmentation. The body is divisible into segmentation. Body division. Cockroach body is division into three parts. Head to thoracic abdomen. Right. Now, one by one. Head. Now, before this, what is this? Exoskeleton. Exoskeleton. Now, see. cervix or neck. Now it is the thorax. Right. Now, thorax, segments. This is the segments. Okay. Dorsal, ventral. Now this is the lateral. Entire body, total surface of the body, externally, total surface of the body is covered by chitinous exoskeleton. Chitinous exoskeleton. Right. Our body is covered by hair. The hair is exoskeleton. Fish body, scales. Birds, feathers. Similarly, the cockroach body is covered by exoskeleton, that is chitin composition. But this exoskeleton, as in the form of plates. This is one plate. Plates. The plates of exoskeleton is called as scleroids. Now, what is scleroid? A plate of exoskeleton. Now, it is one scleroid. It is another scleroid. Like this is the scleroid. Now, what is this scleroid? If you take the one segment, right, containing 4 scleroids, dorsal scleroid, ventral scleroid, lateral scleroid. That means each segment containing 4. Dorsal scleroid is called as sternum. Ventral scleroid is called as sternum. The lateral scleroid is called as pleura. Now, according to this, now see in this diagram, right? Now, in this diagram, see now. Now, what is this area? Thorax. 3 segments: prothoracic, mesothoracic, metathoracic. Now, what is this? Abdomen. 1, 2, 3, like 8, 9, 10 segments. 10 segments. So, what is this? Head. 6 segments. But the 6th segment is a fused. But here, in abdomen, 10, in thoracic, 3. Right. They are free, not fused. Right. Now it is the tergum of prothoracic, tergum of mesothoracic, tergum of first abdomen, tergum of second tergum. Like this, abdomen containing 10 tergum. But now, what is this? Sternum. Which sternum? There is no 10th sternum in both male and female cockroaches. 9th sternum is also extended. 9th sternum is also extended to 10th also. Hence, right, abdomen containing 10 tergum, but 9 sternum. Okay, 1 tergum, 1 is connected. That means scleroids. One scleroid, another scleroid is connected by a membrane. That membrane is called as arthrodial membrane. See, arthrodial membrane. One brick, another brick is jointed by cement. Similarly, the scleroids is connected by arthro. Due to presence of arthrodial membrane, the segment is freely, flexibly movement. Right. Now this is about the chitinous. Now come to the right. One part. What is the first part? Head. Now head. Head is triangular. For suppose you see my body or our body, head, thoracic, abdomen. The head is parallel to the axis. Suppose it is the four limb. First one part, second part, three parts. Right. It is imagined to be the head, thoracic, abdomen. Right. But in cockroach, head is not parallel, right hand, to the main axis. Such type of head, which is a right angle to the main axis, is called as hypognathous head. The head of cockroach is hypognathous. Because it is arranged right angle to the main axis. Such head is called as hypognathous. Now the head containing antenna, eyes, biting and chewing mouth parts. Now see, it is the head. Now it is the head. It is a somewhat triangle, right? It is anterior, it is a posterior. Posterior later, a pair of bead black shaped compound eyes. Below the compound eyes, a small white dots, that is simple eyes. The simple eyes are vestigial, not functional. The cockroach can see with the help of compound. Now below the simple eyes, some pouch is there. From this pouch, a long whip-like structure. This is called as antenna. Which is segmented and helps in olfactory. Towards anterior mouth and surrounded by some chitinous plates or appendages, right? Mouth and its surrounding appendages is called as mouth parts, which is helps in ingestion of food. The mouth parts of cockroach is biting and chewing. In Telugu, korakadamu nagaladamu. In mosquito, piercing and sucking. But cockroach mouth parts is biting and chewing. Now see, right? Biting and chewing mouth parts. This biting and chewing mouth parts contain single labrum, that is upper. A pair of mandibles, a pair of maxilla, single labium, lower, and hypopharynx, which is also called as tongue. This all together with mouth form mouth parts, which is type is biting and chewing. But among this, who can bite, who can chew? That is the mandibles. Mandibles perform the both function, biting and chewing. That means among these various parts, who major role in biting and chewing? Mandibles. Be careful. The mandibles is the major role in biting and chewing. The other helps for biting and chewing. This is about the biting and chewing mouth parts. Now come to the thorax. Three segments. You know, prothoracic, mesothoracic, metathoracic. First segment prothoracic, mesothoracic, metathoracic. Now come to the right. Now see. Right. Now it is the head. Now you know neck. Due to the presence of neck, cervical, the head can rotate in all directions. Right. Now what is this? Neck, which is also called as cervical vertebra. Right. Now see. Now what is this? Thorax. It is abdomen. Now prothoracic, mesothoracic, and metathoracic. Now this is the thoracic. Now this is ventral or dorsal? Ventral. It is dorsal. Right? Ventral of prothoracic, a pair of them. Ventral of mesothoracic, a pair of them. Ventral of metathoracic is also, that means each segment of thoracic form a pair of legs on its ventrally. Right. Three pairs of legs. Right. Now come to the, what is this? Proboscis. Wings. Wings are two pairs. It is the first pair. Origin from mesothoracic. Second pair, metathoracic. That means prothoracic does not contain wings. Suppose it is mesothoracic. The mesothoracic contain first pair of wings and second pair of legs. What is this prothoracic? It containing wings or legs without wings. Okay. Now it is a first pair, it is a second. The first pair of wings is called as four wings. It is called as pea wings. The four wings, opaque, dark, leathery. See, right. Four wings, opaque, dark, leathery. It never helps in flight. But what is the use? When resting condition, it covers the second pair of wings. That means the second pair of wings which helps in flight. The cockroach can fly with only second pair of wings, that is wings. But this is very delicate, light color and delicate. They require the protection. That protection is given by first pair. And that means first pair of wings is not involved in flight, but function is give the protection to second pair of wings. Right? Now the second pair of wings is up. First pair of wings is technically called as tegmina. Right. Now come to the abdomen. Right. Abdomen. Now it is abdomen. 10 segments. Right. Thoracic is 3 segments. Head is 6 segments. Now come to right. Now it is abdomen. Now. Now segments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 7, 8, 9, and 10. See. How many sternum? 9 sternum. No, it is 7th sternum. It is 8th sternum. 9th is also extended up to 10th. Hence there is 9th sternum. Now, if it is female, right. Ventrally, a box is there. This box is called right, genital pouch or brood pouch. Genital pouch or brood pouch in female. This genital pouch is formed by 7th, 8th, 9th sternum. 7th sternum forms a boat-shaped plates to the brood pouch. Now come to the in males. Now it is the 10th, 9th, 8th. Now what is this? Sternum. Either it is also sternum. Now it is sternum. See, 9th, 10th sternum in embryonic stage. 9th, 10th sternum together and extended and is fused with the 9th. That means a box is also there in males. This box is also called as brood pouch and genital pouch, but it is partially dorsal, partially ventral. But it is completely ventral. In ventral, which place? 7, 8, 9. But in males, 9th, 10th terga, 9th, 10th terga, and 9th sternum. This is the 3 plates modified and form a right genital pouch. Right. What is the sex? Female. Male. The male genital pouch is open into brood pouch, but not directly open into the atmosphere. What is the sex? Female. Female genital pouch, which is open into genital pouch, but not open into exterior Earth's atmosphere. Now come to the female brood pouch, genital pouch. Now come to the In males, 9/8 dorsal plates develop. Right. In males, anal style, anal celsi is already. Now come to the decisional morphology. Now we complete the morphology. Now come to the anatomy. That is internal structure. The internal structure, that is anatomy of cockroach, is organ system level. Hence, when you take the internal anatomy, you can see the systems. The system, digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, reproductive system, nervous system, one by one. Now digestive system. The digestive system of cockroach containing alimentary canal and salivary gland. This alimentary canal is coiled. Our alimentary canal is also coiled. This coiled alimentary canal first appeared in arthropoda, that is cockroach. Before arthropoda, annelida, earthworm. In earthworm, the alimentary canal is straight, not coiled, because the length of alimentary canal equal to its body. But our alimentary canal is 3 times more than our length. Hence, it must be coiled. This nature is begin from arthropoda. Right. This coiled alimentary canal is a benefit to the organism. That absorption is completely, the digestion will be completely occur. If the length is more, right, the time of digestion is more. Right? Hence, the digestion is complete and absorption is also, rate of absorption is also increases. Right. Now come to this coiled alimentary canal is having 3 regions: foregut, midgut, hindigut. Foregut, midgut, hindigut. Mouth, pharynx, esophagus, craw, gizzard. This is the parts of foregut. The midgut containing only one part, mesenteron. Mesenteron is a single part of midgut. Ileum, colon, rectum. This is the hindigut. Now you see the diagram. Now it is the head. Now it is the thorax. Now it is the abdomen. Right. Now see, it is esophagus. Sir, where is the pharynx? So, right, it is the dorsal view. When you see the lateral view, pharynx will be there, right? So it is in the head. Now what it is? Esophagus. The esophagus is expanded into sac. This is called as craw. Now it is gizzard. Now up to gizzard, this is what. Now what it is? Mesenteron. Now, right. At the junction of gizzard and mesenteron, projections. This projection, 6 to 8 projections, is called as hepatic CK or gastric CK. What is the location of gastric CK? Right. At the junction of foregut and midgut. Foregut, which part? Gizzard. Now come to the, what is this? Midgut. The midgut area is called as mesenteron. Now come to the hindigut. The hindigut containing 3 parts, ileum. Now this is ileum. Now, cecum. Right. Ileum, cecum, rectum.
What?
Up to this is the foregut. Now it is a midgut is called as mesenteron. Now, I for ileum, C for colon, R for rectum. Ileum, colon, rectum. This is the 3 parts of hindigut. Okay. How hepatic CK is present at the junction of foregut and midgut? Similarly, 100 to 150 outgrowth yellow colored Malphizian tubules are located at the junction of midgut and hindigut. Right? This is yellow color. How many? 100 to 150. Name, Malphizian tubule. Location at the junction of midgut and hindigut. Now, right, 90% of the students they can mislead. What is the name? Malphizian. It is attached to the alimentary canal. Hence, they may be think it is helps in digestion. Now, it it is excretion, excretory organs. It is how our kidney perform the excretion. In cockroach, the malphizian tubules perform the excretion. Now this is about the digestive system. The next one.